Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to mute notifications from people you don't follow on Twitter. So, let's jump right into it. First, open the Twitter app on your Android device. You can find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Now scroll down and tap on Setting and Support. It's usually located towards the bottom of the list. In the Setting and Support menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will open up a new page with various options. From here, select Privacy and Safety. This is where you can manage your privacy settings on Twitter. Now, tap on Notification. It's usually located under the Privacy and Safety section. In the Notification menu, you'll find different options related to notifications. Tap on Filters. Within the Filters section, locate and tap on Muted Notifications. This will allow you to customize your muted notifications. Finally, select You Don't Know from the available options. By choosing this option, you'll mute notifications from people you don't follow. And there you have it. You've successfully muted notifications from people you don't follow on Twitter. Now, you can enjoy a more peaceful and focused Twitter experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.